Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do something different instead of just my regular unboxing and bag review videos. As you can see, today I'm full on with this knitwear stuff on me. I just want to kind of take the opportunity to share with you something I was working on, and then also something I like to encourage you to do. For example, this scarf. The reason I made this because I saw Miu Miu has this crochet scarf that they were selling for like $500. And then some of you may have noticed the cardigan, the crochet cardigan that J.W. Anderson was selling for maybe a couple $1,000 that I think Harry Styles was wearing on his concert. So it seems that crochet and knitwear, it has been on trend for a while now, and I don't see this stopping down because I think people went from full-on technology, inventing new material, and now they start to come back on exploring the possibility using traditional method and traditional material. So I want to show you what you can do creating your own fashion accessories and save all your money. And it's not hard to pick up crochet or knitting skills. So for example, this one, I didn't choose the vibrant color like what Miu Miu has on their website. I decided to go for a more muted, like dusty pink color. I'm not sure this is my color, but this is the yarn that I found, and it cost me less than $20 to make. So instead of $500, you could save a lot of money, and you can also customize it. For example, I made this longer, and you can also like adjust it like wider. So for example, for a long time, you know, the chunky scarf and it's a trend. So you can make it yourself with much less money instead of buying it, because chunky scarf, actually you could knit it pretty fast because it's chunky. It doesn't really take more than a few days to make it. If you are fast, you could even finish it in one day. So I highly recommend you try out things like that. And to show you this cardigan, I crocheted myself. It was kind of a prototype. I don't think it was successful, but it was definitely a fun experience for me. During pandemic, I had not much to do, and I decided to create something fun for myself. I feel like how it turned out, and it definitely kept me warm on a day like today in Austin, that the temperature is crashing to below 30s compared to last night. Yesterday it was like over 80 degrees. So I want to take this opportunity, since today is cold, I want to show you some of these knitwear and scarf and things that I was working on. Now I'm just going through some of the scarf and knitwear and accessories that I make during pandemic to show you what you could easily do on your own if you just maybe Google up YouTube this crochet and knitting techniques. They are pretty simple. For example, this one is I used chunky yarn to knit this scarf. It's basically like 2x2x2 kind of pattern. It creates this rib texture. That's kind of, I like it because this is kind of skinny scarf, but it's able to keep you warm because how thick it is. And this is kind of one of it that I did. And then this is another one that I knitted with similar 2x2 pattern, but instead of one color, I decided to kind of play with the color. It has like four sections, it's like a color block, 4 different colors. And then I have this chunky scarf, like wider in terms of the length. I believe they call this fisherman's cable stitches. So if you YouTube it, you should be able to find knitting tutorial to do this. I like this knitting stitches because it's really soft and it's really comfortable when you use it with chunky yarns and all that. And all this, I know it looks big, but you know, it costs less than $30, less than $50 the most. It's really affordable if you want to create your own fashion accessories, and you can try all kind of colors and texture to just accessorize your style based on the colors you like. So, and then I have this super bulky and chunky scarf that I made just for fun. I just like how crazy the effect is. It definitely keeps you warm. Maybe I need to go to Alaska or something with this scarf, but I don't think I could travel with this because how heavy and how much space it would take up. But since I'm moving up north, so I imagine I will have more opportunity to use this scarf. And this is the same fisherman's cable stitches that I talked about earlier on. So it's fun, and I really love how soft and fluffy it is. And the last thing I wanted to show you is a knitted hat. This hat is really thick and warm and basically huge because I'm not sure you can see that I do have a bigger head, so a lot of time when I buy knit hats out there, they are either too thin, too small, or just uncomfortable. To be honest, I don't usually wear hat that much, but sometimes when it's cold, really cold weather, I do kind of wish I have a hat that's comfortable, that fit my head size better. So with simple knitting skill, you could make accessories that fit yourself better, depends on your body shape and all that. So I really love to have this technique and skill.
Just to have a little fun, I thought I would include a little clip of me trying to style the pink leather bag from Portland Leather Goods. Pink isn't really my style, but if any one of you thought I look okay with this color, leave it in the comment. Maybe not. Don't say anything. With things that going on with our world right now, it could get a little depressing sometimes. So I want to remind myself to just have fun sometimes and stay positive, looking at things more optimistically. I hope this clip make you laugh a little. Talk to you again soon.